Welcome back to R&M LAB GH. Today, I want to present a project that is not only interesting but also extremely useful for your lab, for your Arduino projects, or simply for anyone who is taking their first steps into electronics. The video is different from usual. We are not covering any project with Arduino. However, I needed to create a rotating display base. A small turntable is very useful for my videos for showcasing projects or other materials. I thought I would share this little project of mine with you, which still involves some basic electronics. I decided to make it using recycled materials and low-cost, easily available materials, so that if anyone is interested in replicating this item, it's possible and within everyone's reach. The entire structure is made of rigid cardboard, which I found affordably at the supermarket. In reality, its intended use is for multi-tiered cakes, but the material it's made of is a thick and sturdy kind of cardboard. The nice thing about this material is that when it comes into contact with super glue, it sits quickly and becomes sturdier and waterproof. This material is suitable for many projects. It's easy to shape, cut, and glue. With a little ingenuity and imagination, you can create many objects. For example, a container for the weather station we made in the last video. It's the same material I also used in video number 8, the labyrinth. This material is suitable for many uses. You can also paint it or cover it, as in this case, with adhesive film. You can unleash your imagination using different colors or themes. For this video, we are using 2 pieces of this cardboard adhesive paper, super glue, a cutter, and little else, as you will see in the video. In addition, we will need a small motor with a gear reducer, the kind used in Arduino projects, a 10K potentiometer Xerox dollar, a recycled USB cable. Everything runs on 5 volts $, so you can power it simply and quickly with a power bank or a phone charger. We can control the rotation speed of the turntable with the potentiometer depending on what we need to do. Keep watching the video. this channel, as you may have noticed, in addition to projects based on Arduino, I also bring other content regarding DIY and basic electronics projects using recycled or easily available, low-cost materials. In this new year, I intend to bring, besides Arduino tutorials, also electronic repair content of various kinds, and the series on basic electronics. This last topic is very useful for Arduino projects as it allows us to learn the basics of resistors, capacitors, diodes, transistors, and all the components that are part of Arduino circuits. If you are interested in the new content, write in the comments or via email. That way, I will know how to approach the topics and what you would like to see in my content. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, give it a like, and activate the bell. Hello everyone, and see you in the next video.